a lot bigger than it looks.
All right, we're gonna go order Bella's first birthday cake. Here we go. Hi, I'm Courtney. My husband Michael and I have 4 great kids. We love to go explore and learn new things. Come join us on our mini adventures on YouTube. So this morning, guys, while I was sleeping, here, let me set this down. While I was sleeping, my daughter, she's 5, decided that she wanted to help me, and so she decided to do the laundry, which is totally sweet that she wanted to do the laundry, but she doesn't know how to do laundry because she's 5, so she dumped all of my baskets, like my basket of whites. She dumped my basket of clean clothes. She went through the house and looked for anything she could find. So she threw in like one of my nice, like little jacket things that actually can't just be washed in the washing machine. She threw in blankets. She threw in swimsuit. I don't know. Like she just everything. And it was like jam-packed full of stuff. And yeah, so while we're eating breakfast, she's all like, "Mommy, I did the laundry for you." I was like, show me what you did. So yeah, I've got a little more laundry than usual because I'm having to kind of rewash things because she mixed them all with the dirty things, and I can't remember what I just washed and what I didn't wash, and I'm trying to pull out whites and darks because yeah, oh my goodness. But it was a sweet thought. So, I don't know. Oh, you guys, life as a mommy. Seriously. So we are on our way to the dollar store to look for some party supplies. We're going to be having a 4th of July party, and we are going to be having a first birthday party here soon. So yeah, I wanted to check the dollar store before I did the party store. I usually just go to the party store, but I noticed at the dollar store they had party stuff, so I thought, hey, I'm gonna check there first this time. But yeah, we're gonna have a fun family 4th of July party with games and like races and competitions, and yeah, I'm excited. This will be our first one ever, so yay! So here's some of our fun 4th of July finds we found. There was that. And we got some fun beads and plates, and this was all at the dollar store. Just cups, and there's paper towel, or no, what's it called? Tablecloth. Anyway, that's where I keep my candy stash. Anyway, it should be fun. I'll have to put on the vlog next vlog, like our actual 4th of July and what all we did. That'll be fun. All right, so this year, instead of going to the party store, I ordered from Birthday Direct, and it was cheaper than the party store, and I think I got some good stuff. I got these cute, well, these are for Bella. These here, which I thought were super cute. Oh my goodness. And now I'm trying to decide if I want to go ahead and just make her cupcakes by herself or go to that little cake shop and order them. I looked at some that they had there and they had some really cute options, but if I just do cupcakes, I don't know, I might be able to just do that by myself. Anyway, and then these are for Wiley. He wants a train themed party, which I thought was sweet. Oh, and that's Bella. And then Willa wanted Little Mermaid, so there we go. I tried to talk her into something a little more original, but this is what she wanted. So this is what we're doing. But we'll make it fun. She loves the Little Mermaid. All right, we're gonna go order Bella's first birthday cake. Here we go. All right, we're at the balloon globe. We got us a personal cake. Good. is one of our favorite events that we have here in town. So yeah, we're just getting ready to settle in and get ready to watch them unfold. I don't know what's going on with my hair. Unfold the balloons, and up they go. What do you think, Riley? Riley, what do you think? I remember that one from last year. Yeah.
It's a lot bigger than it looks.
Oh, wow.
Aren't they? The hot air balloon.
Clap your hands. You guys, look what I just found up there. It's a little bird's nest, and there's little birdies. Wesley, what's up there? Birds. You're right. There's birds.
Slippery slide.
Yes. Tell me about them. Yes, that's what they're doing. You're right. So this chair I got resale, and it was $15, and oh my goodness, it has been so nice in the playroom here. I am just loving it, and it has our cute little Disney pillow in it, but it's a rocker and it swivels, and it's just been perfect. And I can't believe they were selling this thing for $15 because there's like nothing wrong with it. Yeah, it's perfect. How cute is this? The roof of our hotel has a Mickey. It's a really tall hotel. We're up several stories already. Alright, we're at the top of the building, guys. You're supposed to be guessing what that ride is right there. If you guys watch my say hey, we're at the Rainforest Cafe getting ready to eat some lunch/dinner. It's kind of a weird time. We're hungry. Like those little things, what do you call them? Oh, how adorable. You guys, I am in love. Look at these shoes. Oh my goodness. They are so cute.